Hello, welcome to Angela's Hangout. Today I'm participating in a Centerpiece collaboration which is being hosted by Simple Yet Chic as well as Measure and Mix. Basically, they just wanted us to make a centerpiece. So since my place is a little bit small, I decided that I was going to go ahead and make a couple of them for my two little areas here. And let me show you real quick how we made this one. Okay, so I had my sweet little niece come over here and help me the other day. We were making these little cone Christmas trees, which is in a previous video. I'll put that in the iCards above. So basically we just took our two pins with some yarn and we just cut out our cone. So this is going to be our Christmas cone shape. And I'm just going to roll it all together and stick it together. That's it. So here I'm just taking my glue gun and just putting a nice thick bead in there, and which is going to hold it really, really well. So if you don't have a glue gun, you can just, use like really thick tape or something, like any kind of tape, because it's going to be covered up anyway. So we just decided to hot glue it. So then we're going to take our feather boas and start wrapping it around there and gluing it along the way. Of course, we had our little inspectors here helping us out as well. Little Georgie is helping as well as Bella, the German Shepherd. But yeah, they were our inspectors. So cute. So to use it as a centerpiece, I just took this cute little ornament and put it on my table. And here's my little tablescape. It's all set up for two people. I think it looks so pretty. It looks like a little winter wonderland over here. So just have a couple glasses over here, candles, and some plates, chargers, and some ornaments here. I made this table runner out of some fabric that I just picked up at Joann's at 60% off, and I just kind of cut it up and put it on there, and it makes a beautiful table runner. Added a few ornaments on the table, a sign, and I think it looks really, really pretty. Let me show you my side table real quick. So this is a tree that I just did yesterday. I think it turned out so super stunning. Let me show you what it looked like before. So I bought this cute little tree from Walmart. It was only $15, and yeah, it needed some help. So this is what I was able to do with it. I just put some feather boas in there, a bunch of ornaments, and some picks, and I just totally fluffed it out. So here is my little side table in my dining room area. So this is my whole dining room area. Thank you so much, Antoinette and Jessica, for hosting this beautiful collaboration. I cannot wait to see everybody's videos in the playlist. I'm just really enjoying this winter wonderland. It's so pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to leave me a comment in this comment section below, as well as like and share. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You guys have a wonderful day.